Alright, we got our seal, rear main seal. Show you the part number. Alright, and that is the seal area. Right behind the flywheel, we're going to have to take the flywheel off. I want to put this flywheel on the same way. I don't want to, I don't want to put it in a different direction or nothing. Just in case. We got all those bolts out, 19 mil. And that is the rear main seal. We're gonna get that out. So I got those 8 mil bolts out. I got up under here. Pried it away from the motor. All right, there you have it. Seal is out. All that oil up in there. Catch it. Clean it up and put the new seal in. So I went ahead and jacked the motor up some more so it stopped leaking because it was leaning. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and get it ready. So what we're gonna do here to make sure nothing is leaking from the bottom, we want to add some gasket sealant. Just gonna apply some right along the bottom. And you can see where it used to be on the old one. I went ahead and lubed the inside of this seal, and I don't like to go in dry, so this cup is to line it up. And it guides it on. Clean that area up right there. Old gasket.